Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to book a flight ticket online using the Expedia mobile app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. On the home screen, tap the flight tab. This is where you will search for your flight tickets. Enter your departure city and destination city. Select the travel dates, one-way or round trip. Also choose the number of travelers and your preferred classes like economy or business, then tap search. You will see a list of available flights with prices and times. Scroll through and pick the flight that fits your schedule and budget. Tap the flight to see more details, then tap select. Now enter the passenger details like full name, date of birth and contact info. Make sure the name matches the ID you will use for travel. You may be offered extra like seat selection or baggage option. Choose if you want them. Review all your details and the total price. Enter your payment information and billing details. Double check everything, then tap book now or complete purchase. And that's it. You have just booked your flight ticket using the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.